Are you wondering how your business can thrive in a landscape where speed and cost effectiveness are critical? Struggling to manage a traditional supply chain that lacks the visibility necessary to meet today's demands? Let's meet a game changer, Hexaware's AI-enabled supply chain control tower. This innovative platform enhances efficiency, reduces costs, and helps manufacturers meet customer demands with precision. With real-time insights and a complete view from suppliers to customers, you stay one step ahead, solving problems before they escalate and driving long-term growth with confidence. Anticipate disruptions with AI-driven insights and manage risks to ensure smooth operations. Stay ahead with automated alerts for prompt issue resolution. Make data-driven decisions with dashboards and KPIs to optimize operational efficiency. Eliminate silos to enable seamless insight sharing and coordinated actions across teams and partners. At Hexaware, we're with you every step of the way. From strategy to execution, we'll make sure your supply chain is connected, resilient, and future-ready. We'll customize everything to fit your unique business needs and integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. And guess what? Our dedicated support team is always ready to help you adopt new features and plan for future enhancements. Minimize delays, maintain ideal inventory levels, improve on-time delivery performance, and cut operational expenses effectively, all while empowering your teams with actionable insights. Ready to elevate your supply chain? Let's partner up and help you navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and transform your supply chain into a strategic advantage. Your journey to a more agile and responsive supply chain starts right here. Visit us at hexaware.com to learn more.